You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to hide your online status on Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your phone and tap your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down within the settings list until you find the Messages section and tap on it. Under the Messages section, you will see an option for message controls. Tap on this. On the next screen, tap the option labeled Other People. Here you will see a setting called Show Activity Status. Tap on the toggle switch directly to the right of this text. The toggle will turn from blue to gray, indicating it is now switched off. A confirmation pop-up will appear explaining that turning this off will also hide you from seeing other statuses. Tap Turn Off to confirm. Your online activity status is now hidden. No one will be able to see when you are active or when you were last online in the direct message list. You can reverse this at any time by following the same steps and turning the toggle back on. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.